How to find Booking.com promo code 2024. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari if you are on your iOS device. Let's head over to Safari for now. In the source bar, Booking.com promo code 2024. You will be landing on this page. Scroll down and tons of different sites will be available to you. You can head over to any one of it. So, let me head over to this one. Click on it. This interface will open on your screen. Now in here, tons of different offers will be visible to you. If you find out the offer that will be suitable for you, then what you want to do is simply click on it. You will be landing on space. In this space, the coupon will be available to you. Well, now you can copy this promo code. And once you have copied, you can head over to the app Booking.com and apply this promo code. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can find Booking.com promo code 2024. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.